Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use KinCony Smart Controller work with Control4 home automation. Okay, let's look at my test environmental. Okay, first let's look at this is my system. I have taken the Sony video for this demo video. This is KinCony F16 controller and integrate with Control4 system. Actually, you can use any KinCony Smart Controller, just use KCS v3 firmware. And you can see this is a Control4 gateway, and this is EA1. And you can see this one, EA1 gateway. And I have connected the Zigbee antenna and Ethernet and HDMI and this power supply for this Control4 gateway. So this HDMI have connected with this monitor because I can use this Control4 remote, and you can see the remote. You can see the light, control the light, and also you can control the digital input for sensor. You can see I have integrated some sensor from this digital input port. So let's look at how it works. And you can see if I want to control the light, you can see I can go to this main window and select the light. And this have 16 channel light. You can see this have 16 channel light because I have 16 channel relay output. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 16. Okay, so you can see if I can turn on and turn off the light. I just use this remote. And this one is Control4 application. You can see, also you will see the light in my iPhone. And this mobile phone, this is another mobile phone. This is my Android phone. This work with the Tuya application, work with F16. We can put it here. And because the Control4 system, the TV and this mobile phone is work in local network. If you want to use cloud server, you need to pay high money, expensive money for a cloud server. But this Tuya app is free. So you can see, if I use this remote to turn on the first lamp, you can see, turn on the lamp, and this one you can see the first channel is on, and the Control4 application is on, and Tuya is on. So you can see also this is remote control by internet. So you can see I have disabled the Wi-Fi. This is 4G. So you can see if I can turn off the light, the Tuya also is turn off, and this TV is turned off, and this one is turned off. So if you want remote control by internet, for example, you can see if I turn on, and you can see this Control4 app also is on, and this lamp is on, and the TV is on. So it's very useful. Let your Control4 system and integrate with the KinCony Smart Controller and work in local network and work in by internet. So in this video, I will show you how it works step by step. Okay, let's back to my computer. Now I will show you how to do step by step. And you can see this is KinCony form. You can see the form have we have designed the driver for Control4, so you can download from it here. KinCony driver file for the Control4, so you can download this file. And this you can see the gateway online guide, user guide. You can just download the PDF file, so that have showed in details how to do with it. And also you can see the contact, just a digital input, how to use it, and how to use the light driver and how to use the relay driver. And you can see this F16 work with Control4 EA1. So this have some details step at here, and how to set and how to use the demo. So now I will show you. The first I have said, because we have the KinCony driver, so you don't need to download this file. Just download this file, and you will have this unzip. After unzip, we have this 4 file. Just copy to this document folder and the Control4 folder and the drivers at here. So you can copy and at here. So open your Compose software. This is the config software for Control4. So that you can see this just the system design and click search, and this time you will find the KinCony driver. You can see you will find the KinCony driver listed at here. This 4 driver, just this 4 file, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 file. So you can see this have KinCony gateway driver, relay driver, light driver, and contact driver. So you just very easy to use. Just try out at here. Just try this device and to this design window. So because I have already driven at here, you can see you can create the room, and the EA1 is the gateway. And first you can try out this KinCony gateway. The KinCony gateway, just I want to connect with the F16, and maybe you have connected F24 or F32 or B series product or F series product or other series product, no problem. Just the first one, you need to log in KCS firmware. You can see this is F16, and go to this general protocol and enable this TCP server protocol, and this is for Control4 to use it. So you need to enable it, and the local port must import 50088, and just click save, so that you can integrate the F16 to Control4. So you can see this is IP address 3.15145. So at this compose, so you need to change this IP address. You can see. So you can see you just modify the gateway for this port and this IP address at here. So it's very easy. This is the gateway, and this one you can see the light driver. The light driver you can see this is channel 1 and the channel 2 until channel 16. And also you can rename by yourself. This is light driver, and you can change this channel input by yourself. And you can also just to change the rename it, we can double click. So you can see double click, and you can see turn on relay 1, and this relay 1 is on. And if you turn off relay 1, this relay 1 is off. So you can test every channel. So this is relay 2. You can see double click, and you can see click. So this time the relay 2 on and off. And also you can see when I on and off, and this mobile phone, you can see channel 2 and channel 2 is on and off, channel 2 is off, channel 3 is off. So this all as work together. So Tuya app and Control4 app work together. Okay, so this is the light, and this one you can see this is another driver. This is called relay driver. The relay driver just use this icon. You can see on and off. This is relay driver. So you can see. Okay, so this is relay driver, and this is lamp driver. Just the lamp driver, so that the icon is a lamp, and relay driver, the icon is a switch. And this one you can see that is digital input for sensor. So you can see I can choose many different sensor type at here. So I have created some different 8-channel sensor for different icon. So you can see, for example, this digital input 2, this is a dot sensor, and we can track it. You can see, for example, this Control4 also have a dot sensor at here. So I can shut this digital input 2. You can see, shut, this dot sensor color is changed, shut is changed, and shut is changed. So you can shut for every different channel. This icon will be change the state, monitor the sensor state. Okay, so this is how to use the relay output and for digital input. And also you can see at this this one agent, we have make the sense mode. And also you can see this advantage lighting because we have created this sense mode. You can see this all on and all off at here. So you can see if I click this one, click the sense mode, this relay is all on, and also we can click to this. You can see this is all on. And if I click this all off, you can see active. So this is all off, and the application also is all off. So you can create sense mode at here, just advantage lighting. And also you can click the program so that let your digital input and work with digital output. So I have created this digital input and work with output 1, DI1 to DO1. So you can see if I shut the digital input 1, the relay will be on. So you can see if I shut digital input 1, the relay is on. You can see the relay is on. If I release it, the relay is off. So this makes the logical automation in Control4. This automation by Control4, and also you can create if DDT in KCS firmware web page. Let the input and work with output directly. This is better because if Control4 is disconnect, so this board F16 also can work well. So now you can see this is very easy, the whole step, and just only you need to system design and search the KinCony device and drag at the left window and set the gateway and set the relay output for lamp and for relay, and set the digital input for your sensor so that you can write to your Control4 gateway and so that you can use Control4 application. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.